parts 1 and 2, we made our way from Metro Vancouver to Gibsons, Sechelt, Skookumchuck Narrows, Powell River, Comox and Courtney, down Vancouver Island, and now we pick up our geocaching travel adventures in Langford, just outside of Victoria, BC. And we're going to tackle DNFs, FTFs, events, and caching in all kinds of BC weather. So grab a coffee, maybe not that one, and let's have some fun.
Wow, who in their right mind is caching today?
No one.
No, that answers the question. This monkey just pointed out that almost exactly 2 years to the day, almost exactly within like 2 days off, we have avenged a DNF up here on this hike, so that's awesome. We're at the back end of Thetis Lake now, working our way around, finding some geocaches and Adventure Lab stages, and enjoying a nice rainy day. We are out geocaching and we are having a heck of a fun time, making the best of it. Hiking around Thetis Lake, finding some geocaches, and this afternoon we're excited to go to the community celebration event that the Landsharkz are hosting, where the Caching in the Northwest crew is all going to be together for the first time in a couple of years. We're going to have a great time. A little tricky to navigate this. Wet rocks in the rain, but we're doing all right. The hills are alive with the sound of raining. Wow, we're deep in this little cave, and there's the geocache. It's tucked way back in here, so I'm going to turn around and go put it back. Gratuitous butt shot coming up.
At least it's not in my direction.
No, it's not your butt, so yeah. Wow, that is quite the cache. And back out. That's awesome. Favorite. All right, let's go find some more. Just as we make our way back to the Jeep to wrap up this caching adventure, the sun comes out. So I guess that'll dry us off a little bit on our way back. All right, next stop, our event.
Yeah, thanks for being here for our own little moment. It's all about us. No, it's all about you guys.
It is.
It is
Yeah.
tonight. Hey! Here we go. These words were heard clearly. I thought we were meeting on Zoom.
Well, our guest has arrived and it's time to attest.
Happy holidays to everyone from Caching in the Northwest and Landsharkz.
The next morning, our CNW crew popped up to Hatley Castle, where we enjoyed the 11-stage virtual cache and some fun time together as friends before we had to say goodbye and make our way up the Saanich Peninsula towards the Schwartz Bay Ferry Terminal, but we weren't done quite yet.
We're not done yet. We got a message from our friends, the Sharks, and they said, hey, we're going over to this new cache. Nobody's been able to find it yet. So we thought, let's see if we can help out and make the find.
We did it!
We got there. We're not going to spoil it, but it's around here somewhere.
Somewhere.
In plain sight.
It is.
Sort of.
And after just a couple more quick caches, we were on our way to the ferry terminal to make the final trip back home. However, we hope you've enjoyed this series, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our website for all kinds of great geocaching adventure travel tips. And watch for our next series coming out soon, where we'll take you with us to beautiful Bermuda. But until then, be sure to cache safely and cache often.
It's our beautiful.
Gratuitous butt shot coming up.
At least it's not in my direction.
No, it's not your butt, so yeah.
We're going for the kiss. Oh, here you go.